Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app is installed and visible in Start. This avoids hunting mid-process. Once located, right-click the app tile or its desktop shortcut and select Pin to Taskbar so you create a persistent icon. If you can't find the app, open File Explorer and navigate to the program's installation folder, then right-click the exe and choose Send to Desktop, create shortcut. Make sure to run as administrator only if permission blocks pinning. Once you have a shortcut, drag it directly onto the taskbar to pin it quickly. Dragging is faster than menus and shows immediate feedback. If you prefer a custom look, right-click the desktop shortcut, choose Properties, then change icon and browse to an ICO file. This ensures proper scaling and appearance. Make sure to apply and close properties. Pin taskbar icons use the shortcut's icon, so updating the shortcut updates the taskbar entry once you unpin and repin if necessary. To finish, organize icons by dragging them into position and test launching from the taskbar. If changes don't appear, restart Explorer. Exe via Task Manager to refresh the shell and make sure pinned icons update correctly. If pinning repeatedly fails, verify you're not restricted by group policy or lacking file permissions. Make sure the shortcut targets a valid exe and that the LNK file isn't blocked. One key troubleshooting tip: unpin. Fix the shortcut icon, then repin to force a clean refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.